kids! Welcome to Kids School Art! Today, we are drawing safari animals. Let's draw together. First, we are drawing a giraffe. Giraffe is beautiful animal of Africa. Giraffe has long neck and tall height. Did you know that giraffe can grow as tall as 18 feet? They have 6 feet long neck. With their long necks, giraffe are expert leaf eaters. Do you like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, we are drawing an elephant. Elephant is largest animal on the earth. Elephants have long trunk and large ears. Their trunks are versatile tools used for breathing, smelling, touching, grasping objects, and even producing sounds. Elephants eat plants. Did you know that an elephant can consume hundreds of pounds of food each day? And finally, we are drawing a zebra. Zebra is known for its black and white striped coat. Do you like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Zebras are found in grassy land of Africa. Zebra are like to eat grass and other plants. Did you know that zebras communicate with each other through various sounds? Look, our safari animals are looking so awesome! Hurry! So cute animals! Let's do coloring. Pink. Yellow. Do you like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Orange.
sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool?
Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one
Pink.
for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a
Black.
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm
See you in next video. Take care.